Muskan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Jolly with Muskan. Namaste. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you few things which I have applied in my personal life for getting my first job as a fresher and after doing my data science as well. All these things are based on my personal experiences. So obviously, if you will follow the things which I'm gonna tell you in this video, you will definitely get a job and a good job. In the end of the video, there is a bonus information for you all guys. So if you want those information, so watch the video till the end, and whatever the things I'm gonna tell you afterwards, like throughout the video, if you follow those things, I will give you 100% guarantee that you will get your first job through referrals. For this, you really need a good communication skills or a networking skills. For this thing to work, you need to really reach out to the people. What you can do is talk to your batchmates or your seniors who are working in a good organization, and ask them if there is any vacancies available, and if they can refer you, that is good for you only. Create your profile in different job portals. Naukri.com, you have instahire.com, you have glassdoor.com, also you have linkedin.com, right? LinkedIn is the highest priority one. So what you have to do is you have to go to their website, or you can download the app in your phone, and you have to create your profile in those job portals, and you can start applying from there as well. And you have to be updated every day. You have to update your profile every day in all the job websites. Join different social media groups. There are 4 or 5 platforms where you can get these groups. These are the groups which is created by the HRs of the company, or there are so many people from the organizations only who have a lot of experience in the field, who have the updates of everything, where is the hiring going on and where is the vacancies are available in which company. So what you can do is you can join the groups, and the groups are available in WhatsApp. You can find it on LinkedIn. You can find the groups in Facebook, and the number 4, Telegram. These are the 4 social media platforms which is very important for join in any groups. Participate in the competition and the hiring challenges. So many companies conducted these type of competitions to get shortlisted the students. You can find these type of competitions in different platforms like HackerRank, HackerEarth, and TechGeek. Apart from these 3, if you know any other platforms, do let me know in the comment section. The competitions in these platforms are like MCQ based, either MCQ based, or you can find coding challenges. This is basically for computer science students or IT students. If you perform well in those competitions and you will get a good marks, or you will able to crack those competitions, the company will directly contacted you, or they will send you an email that you are shortlisted for the further rounds. So this is really a good idea or a best way to get hired or to get job in any company. Go to the company's website wherever you want to apply. There will be a page, separate page. The name of that page is careers, and what you can do is go to that careers page of that company's website and apply from there. You can find out number of job vacancies available in that company. If you are not able to find out the careers page, so what you can do is go to the Google, write the company name space careers, and you can get the first link as careers page of that company's website. This will be the easiest way you can find out the careers page. The company is only going to hire you and pay you if you will add value to them in return. If you don't have any skills, if you don't have any knowledge, if you don't have any practical experiences, if you don't have any projects included in your resume, then you are not going to shortlisted. If you are not, you will not get any jobs. So you need to work hard. You have to add a lot of things, valuable things in your resume, so that the company will shortlist you and you will get your first job if you will give your 1000%. Otherwise, भूल जाओगे आपको कोई job मिलेगी. You have to give your 1000% and you have to believe in yourself that you will get one day a good job. That's it. I'm gonna tell you three websites from where you can apply for a job. In these websites, the job opportunities is posted by only startup companies, and you know what? The main thing is that the process for hiring the candidate is also not that difficult. They will give you the assignment. If you get shortlisted, if your resume gets shortlisted, only then they will call you or they will reach you out through an email. They will give you an assignment. You have to complete that assignment or the test. Then if you clear that assignment or that test, they will contact you for the face-to-face round. So it's very easy, but the assignment is not that easy. So there are three websites, which are: number one, cutshort.io; number two, angel.io; number three, f6s.com. So apart from these three websites, if you know any other websites, do let me know in the comment section. You have seen the video till the end, right? It means that you like this video. So press that thumbs up button, which you can see in your screen. Also, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.